Hello, welcome to Queen Bee's DPs. My name is Bianca, otherwise known as Queen Bee. As promised in my previous videos, I have here for you an unboxing, unbagging, unkitting, opening of a double-sided adhesive kit that I purchased from Jacinta's Creations here in New Zealand. It's just one kit. It is of a moo cow. A moo cow. Just to open this and get into it. Sorry for all the crinkling. For those that don't like it, I'm sorry. And then she carries on crinkling. Be over soon, I promise. Okay, let's just... Okay, right. Rubbish. We have here a toolkit. It's got tweezers, bit of glue there, a pen with a squishy. These are actually very good trays. Oh, and there's some multi-places in here too. All fingers and thumbs. Oh, and that's come through the bag. The tweezers. They don't have a... ow! I was just going to say, they don't have a... What are those bloomin' sharp things? Pointy. Very pointy. You bit me already. Okay, so we've got the pen. Got the... It's like a 12 place or something. Sorry, my... Oh, look. I lie. That's come off there. That cover. So we'll put that back on there. And there is the trusty... 4-placer, which I will be taking off and keeping, and I'm going to keep that tray because I like that size tray. Okay, so these come on foam rollers. They are from moooooo. Now I've been buying from Jacinta basically since the get-go. As you would have seen in my stash videos, I have a heck of a lot of double-sided adhesive. And I don't have a problem with it. I know other people don't like working with double-sided adhesive. I'm actually happy with either or. The only thing with these is you have to... So there's a foam roller it comes on. You've just got to... open these up and let the air out, and then they will relax. It's quite a big section. Turn it round and do the other way. Previous to having these moooooo release papers, I'll just rip that. I used to keep all of these, the release papers, but now I will be purchasing my release papers from Shining Bright with Diamond Art, who is currently in the process of moving to a new house, but once she is settled, she will be releasing some release papers. Right, so you want to know what the kit is, don't you? Of course, you've been sitting there going, hurry up, hurry up. Okay. I can only show you the thumbnail. It's none other than a black and white cow. It's a moo cow. 60 by 50, and it has 48 colours. I don't think there is any ABs in this one. Kitted up and ready to go in the baggies. And it is a round kit because that is my preference. I actually worked on my tiger last night, and my square tiger, my 30 by 40 square kit, and it wasn't actually too bad. So I've got another little bit to go, and then I will be finito. Then I have my Puffy Gator tiger to finish. And then I will be kitting up my Star Maker kit from DAC, which is a square full drill. So that will be the telltale of whether or not I am going to enjoy the square drills. Right folks, so that's all I have for you today. The cow 60 by 50, 48 colours, round kit from Jacinta's Creations here in Invercargill, New Zealand. She is on Facebook, go check her out, Jacinta's Creations. She does not have a website. But if you go to her Facebook page and you click on photos and go through all her albums, she's got everything sorted into categorised. So she's got transport, animals, fairies, movies, things like that. Okay folks, short and sweet, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to press a like on your way out, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.